All right, what's going on today? I'm working on the Volkswagen Passat. This is a 2013 model. This is applicable for models from 2012 all the way to 2016. Today I'm working on the front turn signal bulb. If you're not familiar what the bulbs are, we have a high beam running light, daytime running light, and then your side marker bulb, which turns on when your lights come on at night. So today I'm going to be doing the front turn signal bulb, and that's actually pretty straightforward. Most of the bulbs in the Volkswagen are toolless, so if you reach down here, you'll see this rubber gasket. That you just pinch, pull off. Then you'll see a flapper, a little flap here. Turn that. I'm turning it this way. So, and then you turn it, and there is a seal in there, so you turn it, you'll feel it turn and stop, but you kind of have to wiggle it to get it out. There are wires connected to this, so don't just yank it out. You can see we got the wires. They're connected. There's the bulb. It's an orange bulb. So yep, there's our orange turn signal bulb. You take that. Now, wear gloves. This is an old burnout one, so that just connects there. It is directional. You can see there's a lead on that side, and then there's a lead on that side. So when you're putting this in, you need to make sure those lines up. Actually, can you put it in backwards? You can put it in backwards. So if it doesn't work, there's your troubleshoot right there. Make sure that lead connects to that lead. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So that's in. Then we feed it back into the hole. And the tricky thing about this is try to make it straight and level as you're going in. So, yep. So one of the tricky things is those wires, you can kind of get tangled up with them. There it is. Found it. Put this in here. You'll feel it set into place. Another thing is you'll see the bulb in there. So you can also look through there to help guide you. So that helps a lot with a lot of these. Then you know your bulb's in there, you know it's guided in the right spot. Boom. Kind of finagle, work it, and you'll feel it twist. And I'm twisting this way to lock it in, so the rotation goes that way. Once it's locked in and we're all set there, we take our nice little rubber gasket, throw that back on there. It just pushes into place. Make sure you push all the way around, otherwise it'll fall off. So that's it. That's how you replace the turn signal bulb. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb. And if this was helpful, smash the thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.